Hi, here is the Olympus Mu Panorama overall conditions. Then here is the battery compartment using one CR123A battery. Then the next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And the film we need to put at this compartment. Wow, we cannot put directly as here you got the motor, so we need to slide from the bottom to the top to make sure that the center point have met to the motor like that. Then we put the film tip to here. You see there's a line, and make sure that your film is flat. Then we just close it and we auto load. After it load, open it. When here show figure 1, which means that now you have loaded successfully. So now we can start shooting. Here is the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center point of the viewfinder here, you got a bracket. So you just use the bracket to aim the object that you want to focus and half press. And viewfinder here, we have two lights. The first light, it stands for that focus. When it's too near, it will start blinking, means that it can't focus. So you see, I cannot press the shutter. The bottom part means that it will trigger the flash. Okay. So when it's bright enough, then it won't trigger the flash, as like this. Okay. Then here's the flash setting. Now it's like fully auto, and you can also like auto S is like red eye reduction. It will flash for a few times, only it should. Then this one is off, fill in, force flash, then auto. Then here is the timer. Oh yeah, okay, true. When you click the timer, it's like click the timer and click the shutter together. But before that, you still need to like half press. Wait, I can't focus. Okay, it's focus, then we click it. Here have a red light light up, means that it start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that for it to shoot. When it's almost there, it will start like blinking. Wait a moment, yeah. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, then here is the panorama setting. When we slide to here, we have a P. Then the framing is like this. If we take off, then if we take off like normal, then it's like whole framing composition. Okay. Then if you didn't use it, we just like off it like that. Then here is the date setting. For the date setting, you can click the mode for a while. Okay, when it start blinking, means that we can adjust it. So when we click, okay, so unfortunately until 2019 only. So if you don't want it, you can just off it like this. Yeah, when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.